You're really good with animals, aren't you?
These are the smallest tails I ever seen.
Oh.
Except for mouse tails. I want to see if you're a boy. Okay, you're the boy. The boy is mine. Because it's fuzzy. And I have to choose another name for my kitten. You done eating, right? Don't trick me again. That's for all of you. And the same for you.